have a look what we are going to study this week. Type of cooling system: direct cooling, indirect cooling. Direct cooling, also known as air cooling. Indirect cooling, also known as water cooling. Air cooled engine. In air cooled engine, cylinders are semi independent. This type of cooling system is employed in two wheelers and small stationary engines. These are used in both SI and CI engines. Type of water cooling: thermosiphon system, forced circulation system. Thermosiphon system. In this system, no pump is used for water circulation. Water circulation is obtained due to the difference in the densities of hot and cold water. This system is simple, but the rate of cooling is very slow. Pump circulation system, force feed system. In this system, water is circulated by a pump. The pump is driven by a belt which is connected with the crankshaft pulley. The circulation depends upon the engine speed. More water is circulated at higher engine speed. Vehicle coolant properties. An efficient cooling system removes 30 to 35% of heat generated in the combustion chamber. It should circulate freely in the cooling system. It is prevent frequently and rust formations. It should be reasonably cheap. It should not waste by vaporization. Change of engine coolant interval. Coolant should be replaced as per specified by the manufacturer. Coolant should be replaced during major repair is an engine or radiator. Coolant should be replaced at dilute oil mix with water. Water pump. The centrifugal type water pump is used in engine. It is mounted on the front side of the cylinder block or head. The water pump is driven by the crankshaft pulley through the fan belt. The fan is mounted on the water pump pulley. Thermostat. The thermostat helps to bring the cold engine to the operating temperature quickly. It does not permit water to enter the radiator. The thermostats are rated to open at different temperatures. Two type of thermostats. Bellows type. It has a flexible metal bag closed at both ends. The metal bag is partially filled with ethyl which has a low boiling temperature. Wax type. In this type, a wax pallet is used as a heating element. As the water reaches the operating temperature, the wax pallet expands and forces the valve to open against the spring tension. Radiator. The purpose of radiator is the cooling system is to cool hot water coming out of engine. It has a large cooling surface area to allow enough of air to pass through it. Water circulated through it is cooled by the passing air. Tubular radiator core. In a tubular type, a upper and lower tanks are connected by tubes. Water passes through these tubes. Cooling fins are provided around the tube to absorb and radiate heat to the atmospheric air. Cellular radiator core. In the cellular type, a large number of individual air cells are provided and surrounded by water. Because of its appearance, the cellular type is known as honeycomb radiator. Coolant hoses. It is made of synthetic rubber. There are three types of hoses. Upper hose. It is connected between the cylinder head and radiator upper tank. Lower hose. It is connected between the cylinder block as radiator lower tank. Bypass hose. It is connected between the cylinder head, coolant water outlet and water pump intake side. Cooling fan. This is mounted behind the radiator on the water pump shaft. It is driven by the belt that drives the water pump. It draws the air through radiator to cool the pins and pipe core. In latest vehicles, the fan is mounted and framed behind the radiator. It is operated electrically by ECM. Temperature indicator. The temperature indicator is fitted on the instrument panel. It indicates the temperature of water in engine water jackets. There are two types of temperature indicator used in automobile: mechanical type, electrical type. Thermo switch. This device prevents the engine from overheating by activating radiator cooling fan, measuring the coolant temperature and controlling the level gauge and warning lights on the engine control unit. Function of thermo switch. Thermo switch operates independent from any current supply. Temperature detection is effected by means of a bimetal disc switch on temperature. When this fixed switch on temperature is reached, this bimetal disc will snap over, closing a contact, the circuit system, and thereby a closing the electric of device to be started. Radiator pressure cap. It also permits the engine to operate at a higher temperature so that better efficiency of the engine is achieved. The pressure cap is fitted in the filler neck portion on the top of the radiator tank. If pressure is increased by 15 psi, the boiling temperature rises to 113 Celsius. The pressure cap has two valves: vacuum valve, pressure valve. Marine engine cooling system. There are two types of cooling system used in marine engine: heat exchange cooling system, keel cooling system. Thanks for learning with us.